Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
My name is Arda Süren. I'm an R&D engineer who works at ValCUN. ValCUN is an additive manufacturing technology provider to the industry. ValCUN invented a new type of metal additive manufacturing technique, which we call molten metal deposition. Molten metal deposition brings the industry the cheap way of doing metal additive manufacturing. But when you think about cheap, do not combine it with low quality. It is actually enabling the production, the manufacturing of some specific types of alloys. Mainly it's focused on aluminum alloys, but on the roadmap there are magnesium, there are copper, and the luxury products, the alloys that are used in luxury products such as silver and gold. When you consider alloys such as magnesium, it's really hard to do with high energy additive manufacturing techniques. In that case, MMD puts a lot of benefits, puts a lot of advantages over the other ones. But mainly it's low running costs, low capital costs, and enables the easy and cheap version of metal additive manufacturing.
Why did you choose to participate in the Diameter project?
So the Diameter project is focusing on having a circular economy by helping the environment at the same time, and providing different types of information to the engineers and users by sharing the data that's been evaluated and gathered within the project. So in point of view of ValCUN, it's really valuable that MMD is presented, and also it's one of the ways that we can show that MMD is one of the main actors of metal additive manufacturing industry. In that sense, we wanted to represent the technology, and at the same time we know that since it's one of the extreme options, it'll be good to have in such platform, because in the end, with the outcome of the project, we will see that ValCUN's MMD will be one of the good options if you're looking for cheap and quality at the same time.
What is your specific role within the project?
ValCUN is representing one of the additive manufacturing technologies. So we are both the end user and the tester of the MMD by providing data of the parameters, of the outcomes, and also of the energy consumption, the emissions of the technology of MMD, specifically talking about the machine of ValCUN, which is 𝗍𝗏𝗧. We are aiming to help the project to serve as an option to other metal additive manufacturing technologies.
What excites you the most about the Diameter project?
The aim is really ambiguous, but we all are within the Diameter project. We all are motivated and working hard towards that, and I see that this big potential of representing MMD in this project and within the manufacturing industry. I think we can reach out to many users, and in the end the users will know about the option of MMD, and we hope to see that MMD is more commonly used in the industry. And since one of the things that we support and try to share with the users is that MMD is actually environmentally environmentally friendly. It's because it consumes really low energy compared to many other metal additive manufacturing technologies. Of course, there are good sides and bad sides to that, but this is one of the extreme options. That's why the users will be able to see the advantages of the MMD and hoping to see MMD more in the industry.
In your opinion, what should 𝗙diameter achieve by the end of the project? Who should benefit from its outcomes, and how do you imagine these results being used in practice?
If we can achieve the aim, what we started to work on, I think by the end of the project we will have a good framework of comparison of each manufacturing technology, and at the same time we will see the emissions, we will see the point of view of circular economy, and by that the engineers, the users will see the best option that suits them, and with that I think we as ValCUN will be one of the main actors supporting that goal. And also we will see that this one of a kind project will help the environment.